So I have counted 12 so far. There's there was a few down there too. Where'd they go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Oh, I see it. Yeah.
My phone did it too.
Yeah?
Yeah, I came up here and saw it.
Wild. They're just eating, munching away. It's so rainy. It's been raining for days. See how saturated the ground is? I guess they're eating worms. I don't know. And, nope, don't start, dogs. The wind is getting ready to pick up. And be up to 60 mile per hour wind gusts. So we'll probably lose power. They hear the dogs behind me. I don't know what they're eating. Oh. No. They're gonna run away now. That one sees me. Here they go with their tails up. They're not going far. Me and Chloe just came back from town, and when I pulled in, they were out in the yard eating, and they ran off. And then I'll look out here, and they're back out there again. Let's see. White-tailed deer. What are you going to do, little dogs? There they go. So tired of the rain. I mean, look at the sky. Who knows what's going on out there, because this is what color sky is all the time. Just a sheet of gray. Oh, the ones that were in the orchard are still down there. Like, what happened? There was 12. A dozen deer munching in the yard. All right, love you guys. God bless. Armor on. Stay strong.